Open the cardboard box, take out all the items inside. Open the box, let's count all the items first. Operating manual for a leak tester. Power cord. 8mm air pipe. Air filter regulator. 37-pin terminal wiring socket and I/O connection. Air leak tester. Now, we demonstrate the connection of the power supply and the air source. Input power 220 volts. After voltage transformation, insert the 24 volts voltage interface. Press and hold the lock and insert. Then connect the air source. We have equipped an 8mm air pipe. In order to protect the stability of air pressure, connect the air filter regulator. The air filter regulator has an air inlet and an air outlet, connected to the air source according to the arrow direction. After connecting the air filter regulator properly, connect the air supply source. The entire power supply and air source system have been connected. Explain the use of the air filter regulator. After connecting the air source, we need to adjust the pressure of the air filter regulator. Pressure range is 0.4 to 0.55 MPa. The sliding bowl piston opens for ventilation. Unlock the knob upwards. Rotate and adjust to 0.4 to 0.55 MPa. Press the lock knob to prevent accidental contact. Complete settings. The air filter regulator is used to stabilize the air pressure, and it can filter the moisture in the air source. If there is moisture inside, press the button to discharge it. How to set the instrument parameters? Press the switch and the instrument will turn on. The instrument enters the self-check page. You can skip it by clicking the screen. First, adjust the test pressure. The blue knob is the adjustment knob. Adjusting to the left is to reduce pressure. Turning right for adjustment increases pressure. There is also a small knob behind the blue knob. Rotate to the right to lock and prevent accidental contact. Second, adjust parameter settings. Click Prompt to enter the password. Administrators and operators can be selected. The operator's password 68. Administrator password for 90169. We choose the administrator. Click on Parameter Settings again to the Parameter page. There are 5 sets of parameter settings, and 5 different groups of parameters can be set. Parameter settings include delay time, inflation time, balance time, detection time, and exhaust time. There are also the upper limit of judgment, the lower limit of judgment, the upper limit of equilibrium, and the lower limit of equilibrium. Set the parameters as required. We set the example parameters. Delay for 2 seconds, inflation for 5 seconds, balance for 5 seconds. Delay for 2 seconds, inflation for 5 seconds, balance for 5 seconds. Balance upper limit 500, balance lower limit -500. Judgment upper limit 20, judgment lower limit -20. Complete a set of parameter settings. After setting the parameters, we still need a customized product testing fixture. Behind the instrument, we see 2 red tracheas, used to connect the test fixture. Now we show the connection of the fixture port. OK, installed successfully.